Hello, welcome to Liverpool FC News Today channel.
Jurgen Klopp has floated the possibility Liverpool could need a major overhaul to their squad in the summer. But until then, he has demanded that those in possession of the shirts make the Reds once more the side that nobody wants to play. His misfiring side travel to Molineux tonight for an FA Cup third-round replay against Wolves, having posted their worst performance under their manager against Brighton at the weekend. And Klopp has demanded that they use the opportunity to try and rediscover the DNA of a Klopp side with a back-to-basics display of defending and pressing. "I cannot promise that we will fly tomorrow, but what I want to promise is that we really fight and everyone can see it," said Klopp. "We have to 100% defend well. Our counter-pressing has to be on an incredibly high level because that is the best way to defend. High up and you have the ball. We have to make sure we make these steps and we are ready for it. Then we can become the team others don't want to play against again. That would be helpful." Klopp conceded change could be needed in the summer, and that could mean easing some familiar faces through the exit door. James Milner, Naby Keita, Roberto Firmino and Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain are all out of contract at the end of this season and could be the first quartet out in what could be major dressing room surgery. The manager himself insisted it is his responsibility to stick around to effect any change needed, and he promised there will hard work from everyone before now the summer. "The only thing I want is to fix this situation. That's all," he said. It was not to this extent. But it was clear that we would have some problems and there would be another very important period of change probably. But because of the injuries it is much more than we could have expected. That is a fact as well. But nobody is interested in it. Liverpool's treatment table has groaned under the strain of multiple absentees this season. But Klopp insisted that was only partial mitigation for their poor form. "The only thing we really have to offer is hard work," he said. "In Germany we have say there is a point when the manager doesn't reach the team anymore. So I understand. It looks like this sometimes, but it is just not the case. You can take that off the list. But it's very important we change that immediately." Liverpool have had precious little time to absorb Klopp's message since Brighton. But their response will be stress-tested against an in-form and highly motivated Wolves at Molineux tonight. Julen Lopetegui's side are unbeaten in 4 in January in all competitions and gunning for revenge after a controversial offside decision robbed them of victory in a fiery draw in the first leg at Anfield. Alisson, Alexander-Arnold, Gomez, Konate, Tsimikas, Keita, Fabinho, Elliott, Salah, Gakpo, Carvalho,